What's going on, YouTube? Buck Rub here, and welcome to another edition of Buck Wild Trucking. I'm here with my lovely bride Kelly, sitting on the back porch of Buck Rub Central, or Buck Wild Trucking headquarters, corporate headquarters, and I do a little something a little different for you again. About a week ago, we got us a new daughter. We got us a ball python.
She's gorgeous.
She is gorgeous, and
gorgeous.
she's only about a month old, and she's only ate one time. So we've been trying to feed her for a couple days, and she wouldn't eat anything. We've tried everywhere to find her something live, and we were unable to. And today, we were fortunate enough to meet a lady in Longview that breeds ball pythons, and she also breeds rats. So we found her a fuzzy rat. And today is the first day that we got to feed her, and we were really excited about it because we were really worried.
We were very worried.
Yeah.
I mean, she hadn't eaten in what, 11 days?
11 days had been since she had ate, and she ate today. So warning to the viewers: this is graphic. Don't let your small children watch it, and hope you enjoy us feeding our new daughter.
Her name's Lucy, by the way.
Her name's Lucy. Lucille Ball.
And you'll probably hear more about Lucy as the days go along.
Probably so. Take care.
Ron, this is dispatch.
Nope, he didn't.
No.
Nice. Nope, he didn't eat her.
Oh, they always do that
But
first.
they usually leave them in their mouth.
Did you put a lid on it?
No.
He'll eat her. She'll eat her.
It's the first time she struck at me.
I was afraid of that.
If she kills this mouse.
Do it.
If she kills this mouse and don't eat it, that's gonna suck.
Yeah, it is.
There we go. Here we go.
Oh, poor T-Bone.
There we go.
She's trying to turn her around to get her.
Is she?
Yeah, see?
There she goes. There she goes.
Okay. I asked her.
Oh, I'm so happy she ate.
Oh, you know what? Me too. I feel so much better. You know, at least for now, I think we need to stick with live.
Boom, another touchdown.
So that's your guys?
Well, I assume so. I'm getting notifications. Surely I'm not getting notifications of...
Look, you missed it.
I see it. I got it on video.
Oh, you do. Look at that. She said you don't have to make the tank pleasing to you.
Okay.
I'm so glad she ate. Oh, I like that. I want a picture of that.
Your camera's so much better than mine.
Ooh, she looks almost evil. It's amazing how they do that. You know?
Yeah, it really is.
And how she can curl her neck. Look how far down the mouse is already. Has to be. Look. I mean, 'cause she's got a crook in her neck right there.
Yeah, it's already down here.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl, Lucy.
Good girl. Amazing. Look at that. I mean, how could she feel satisfied like that? Okay. She's gonna be coming up. Should we put her back in the